Hello and welcome to this very special session on Muhurat Trading, and I'm Vivek Mashrani here, and this will be a special session where I'll be covering three powerful themes, three powerful mega trends which you can use for your investing journey. And I have a lot of stock ideas, some of them which we have also recommended to our research clients, which you will be getting it here to understand the process, to understand how the stock picking works and how we do things at Technofunda Research and how we materialize this into actionable ideas. So if you're all ready for this very special session on Diwali Muhurat, just type ready in the comment box. Let's begin this session. Awesome. Hope all of you are ready for taking a lot of notes and learn a lot of things to action in your investing journey for the next year. So let's begin with the powerful presentation where I've covered a lot of powerful themes for all of you. Now this is a quick disclaimer. I'll just put my video here so that you can read all the disclaimers. Some of the stocks which I'll be sharing might be in my personal portfolio, might be also recommended to the clients. I'll be sharing all the disclosures further as we go into this session. And this is again a quick disclaimer. This is all stocks are for illustration purpose. Please do your individual analysis. And this is the theme with which I want to connect the dots. The first very important thing is the stocks which you have picked up, are they having a long mega trend where they can compound for a long period of time? Second, I want to see a action, whether these are very strong stocks. Strong, I mean they are defying the fall, they are making new highs, and they are actually showing a lot of demand from market participants. I also want to see that these stocks are very strong in terms of competitive advantages, whether they have some advantages versus other peers in that sector as well, or they are even monopoly or duopoly. I want to see whether they are able to make good return ratios, they are able to make good ROCs. I cover this framework in detail in our module which is called Core Portfolio Blueprint, but just I'm giving you a glimpse so that you can connect the dots when you are understanding these themes and stock ideas. Then we go around finding the improvements in the sector, in the company, and what is new that is happening, and how strong and able is the management to execute these earnings triggers. So this is like our machine framework which we apply in our stock analysis. And the first thing which I want to cover and discuss with all of you is music industry. Okay, earlier there was a lot of piracy in this industry. But as things shifted, as the content became cheaper and cheaper, and as people started understanding the value of paid content, this industry has really picked up. Okay, and this is also a proxy theme of AI. Like the more people become productive, the more they are going to spend time on their interest, like music, watching movies, watching some kind of digital content. Okay, and these are like the shift that has happened in this industry, right? So it has evolved over a period of time, and you can see like the physical assets have gone down and down, but if you see in terms of digitalization, we have like really picked up. Okay, and this is where it gets really interesting to understand this sector. Now, how many of you know certain stocks in this industry? Like any picks if you have, and if you know some of the stocks in this industry, please type in the comment box. Okay, awesome, good. I can see the common answers being Saregama and Tips. So all of you have rightly guessed it. You are all right in your judgment. Okay, perfect. Great. So let me just go back to our PPT and let's dive in deeper inside this entire topic. Okay, so let's go deeper. Let me share the screen. And this is what, if you see on the right hand side, is like really shaping up the industry worldwide. And now rather than downloading, people are preferring streaming because of more and more advanced technology which is coming up. Okay, and if you see in terms of spend, in terms of hours, Indians are spending 4.8 hours on an average on their phones. Okay, and among that, highest time is spent on listening to music. How crazy is this? Okay, and lot of players are crazily benefited, and the best part is this industry is still evolving in our country, and this is growing like a crazy CAGR. So music industry sector is growing rapidly at a 14%. We are also seeing more and more spend in terms of digital ads, and that is where the companies like Saregama and Tips are crazily benefited. Now the first company is Tips, which we had our recommendation sometime back for our clients on July 14. We had recommendation. That time it was FAR 549. We have again initiated ad report where you can add it. So from July, when we recommended at 549, right now it's already 889. So the risk reward has slightly decreased, but if you have a long-term outlook, you can still think about it. And it is very important to stick to exit system. We believe in Technofunda that no stock idea is buy and hold forever. You need to be always having a risk management in place, and if things don't work out or things change in future, which can, you should have an exit trigger in place. And same way, we had a Saregama recommendation which was at 444 rupees, and as we speak, let's see where Saregama is standing. So if we see Saregama, it is somewhere around 538 as we speak, and it is also staying strong, but I would recommend if you go above 578 where the final resistance is over, that is where it is going to be even more interesting. Now what I was talking about, the strength, you can see Tips Music, despite all the fall in the market, it is making a new all-time high. That speaks about crazy strength in this stock. Okay, so that is the first theme which we have. And by the way, I'm going to share the research reports and all the materials with all of you so that you can refer in the end. I'm going slightly faster in the interest of time, but all the reports I'll be sharing during the session. I'll pop up the link which you can use for the download. Okay. The second very, very important sector is the water and waste management sector. Now, what has happened in water and waste management sector is this sector has got a lot of tailwinds. It has got mega trends because pollution is increasing, the focus of government is going there, and if more and more industries are coming up and more apartments and houses are coming up, we need to make sure that that water is recycled, reused, and that waste is managed properly. And even in this budget, government has announced big boost and incentives in terms of money allocated to this particular sector. Okay, and you can see like the capacity and what is the actual capability. There is a big gap in India. Okay, and that is the reason it is poised to grow. So there is actually a shortfall when it comes to water and waste management treatment inside India, and so this sector can keep growing for a long period of time. And the growth drivers for these sectors are very simple, right? Rapid industrialization, urbanization, regulations are increasing, people are getting more and more conscious, and agricultural needs also is increasing, and government is also driving a lot of investments through Har Ghar Jal and Jal Jeevan mission, where they are spending a lot of money on this focus area. Now there are a lot of other tailwinds in terms of government investment which is also helping this sector. So we have Jal Jeevan Mission, Atal Bhujbal Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Krishna Sinchai Yojana, Amrut Yojana, and a lot of these Swachh Bharat and all these Yojana is helping. And the entire allocation in some of these initiatives from Jal Shakti Ministry is 98,700 crores. Now if you see the market cap of some of these companies, okay, which are there in this sector. So there is a company called Just Engineering, it's just 3,000 crore market cap. There is a company called Vabag, the market cap is just 11,000 crore. There is a company called EMS Limited, the market cap is just 4,000 crores. So you can understand the market opportunity size when it comes to all these listed players. The kind of valuation and the kind of size of these companies are too tiny with respect to the kind of opportunity they have. So companies like Vabag, EMS, Jush can benefit from here, and I'll be sharing this again research report with all of you. So we have just initiated a Vabag report at 100,778, and we have an entire thesis around it. You can go through at leisure. But if you want to see Vabag, it is again showing a lot of strength. Even during this entire fall, it did not fall much, and overall also it is in a very strong uptrend. and a lot of fundamental triggers this company is going through. We have covered all these fundamental triggers, so please make sure you watch it at the leisure. Just Engineering I'm personally holding in my portfolio, and I'm riding this sector as well along with what I'm speaking. Okay, the next sector is very, very interesting, which is financialization of savings and the kind of platforms which are available out there. You know, India slowly and slowly we are increasing in terms of financial assets. All of you might be investing in stock. That is the mega trend that is happening in India. We had only 3 crore demat account in the first 60 years after independence. In last 5 to 7 years, we have added 12 crore more demat accounts. So you can imagine the kind of opportunity size and the way the country is growing. Okay, and the penetration is going beyond tier 1 cities. We are seeing a lot of mobile transformation, and this trend is going to stay here forever. Okay, it is not going to go away, because we are digitally moving from physical market to digital market. Like earlier in BSE also we had this open outcry system, but now it is like digitally we are transacting. And then we have a lot of kind of plays here, likes of CDSL, which is again play of digitalization. We have CDSL as a vault where our shares are getting logged. So a lot of these proxy plays are there. I'll share details about it. So we have CDSL, we have BSE, and we have Nippon India, which is more of a mutual fund play to play this financialization of saving. And again, if I want to share, I was one of the early one to talk about CDSL back in 2019. Okay, that time I talked about how it will get impacted. All the digitalization also is a proxy play of this. And that time it was some 200 rupees odd. Now after split, it is almost 1500. So it has gone like almost 7x in last 4 to 5 years, and it continues to grow thanks to the higher and higher penetration that is going on. By the way, if you have watched it so far and you want to download the reports, I'll share the link with all of you. You can actually download all these reports complimentary at this link, technofunda.co/Diwali 2024. It's a happy Diwali gift to each one of you for being with me and staying associated with me. You can download these reports. The entire thematic presentation also I've shared with you. So go ahead and download it. Along with this, there is one more idea which I shared called Polymedicure in Tamil Nadu Investor Association. This is the link where you can download it. Again, I'll share what is the story behind it and everything over here. But you can download this particular link over here. Yes. And let me share my screen again. So let's go to the stock ideas again. So I have a CDSL report which we gave to our clients at 2000 rupees. This was before split. That time basically it was 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. And now it is almost like a 1500. It is 50% higher, but still the trend continues. Same with BSE, we had given a buy report around 2400. We are having an add report now which are at 4400. So BSE itself from 2400, it has increased to 4400 after we published our research. It has been continuously on an uptrend. Again, you can go through some of the triggers over here. And same way, we are giving a report of Nippon Life Asset Management Limited, that is NAM India, and all of you can even go through this. Again, all of these stocks majorly are very, very strong in terms of uptrend, the way they are going. So you can see Just is making new all-time high, BSE is making a new all-time high, CDSL is staying very, very strong. And if I want to add even NAM India, okay, so this is NAM India stock. You can see it is showing a lot of strength. So we want to go with stocks which are super strong, which can be promising for your future. And we want to really stay focused at the same time and not publish like 20-30 ideas like how other brokerages publish. We want to stay really, really focused in our journey. So hope these Diwali ideas were super useful to you. There are a lot of amazing things which we have inside our community, inside our YouTube channel. So make sure that you go through it and you compound in your investing journey. Okay, so you can download this presentation on this link, which is technofunda.co/Diwali 2024. I've also saved that below in the description, and also you might be seeing in the pinned comment if you want to. So thank you so much again for being associated with TechnoFunda Investing journey. keep compounding, and stay blessed. Happy Diwali and happy Muhurat trading to each one of you. Thank you so much.